Hello, Dollar General Generals. Well, this is only a portion of the haul that I did today. There was a surprise penny list, and this one was kind of weird because around 1 o'clock, I was scanning a couple of these items and they were ringing up, for $1.50 on clearance. Around 2 o'clock, they all started ringing up for a penny. So I'm really happy that I just didn't go to the first store and say, forget this. But the second store, I hit a lot. And then even at 5 o'clock, I went to one store and hit a huge amount of really cool stuff. Anything that looks really old in the clearance section, scan it. This is like one of those penny resets of the clearance section. Just scan anything, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I found. They're Tide Pods. I'll take those. I'm really over the moon excited. Haven't had a haul this big, and this is only half of it. My trunk is still pretty full, and what a day. So if you can get out to the Dollar General after you know what you're looking for, I certainly would. Why not? Including a lot of underwear for a penny and t-shirts. For all of the new Dollar General shoppers out there, you're going to scan the barcodes, and if it rings up 0.00 in the app, at the register, it should be a penny. Make sure you have the right location as well. And just to show you one of my receipts, I am not making this up. It was really a great day because of the really hot weather and just the last minute nature of this. I had to call my trip short around 6 o'clock, but I would have kept going if I could. I'm just going to do a quick run through. I'm not going to bingo call every single item. 16 counters of these True Living laundry packs for a penny. Supposed to be a lot like Tide, but I found 2 of those, probably the most favorite item that I found. Another really great one is this Dollar General bleach with cleaner for a penny. There was a similar one, I think, by Clorox that's been in the clearance section. That one was full price. So this is where it is so important to scan all of these barcodes. I can't stress it enough. There was also a ton of air care, specifically the oils that go in those little plugs. I only found one of these. It's a Febreze wax melt in the Gain scent. It was very cracked up. I think everybody in town played with this at one point. But for a penny, it's fantastic. Altogether, guys, I think I found just about 300, but I had to call my trip a bit short. A couple of the light bulbs that I found, and here are the UPCs. Any light bulb that you see specifically in the clearance section, scan, scan, scan. And because this list is so vast and it didn't start pennying out till later in the afternoon, most employees didn't actually pull a lot of this stuff. So yeah. Also, quite a bit of the microband products. So there's a larger one for the green and the orange, and then there's a smaller green one, and those are all, you guessed it, 1 penny. So I would definitely, scan all of them, especially if you see them. And this is that green one that I was telling you about. This is actually a P&G product. It came out during 2020, and the Dollar General sold not a lot of it. It's been in the clearance section forever, so I'm not surprised that it pennied out, but very delighted to find a bunch of these. It's like a Lysol disinfectant spray, just a different name. Another disinfectant spray by Family Guard, which is an S.E. Johnson company. 1 cent. I found a couple of these, so I was pretty delighted with that. Here's the weird thing. I did scan this earlier in the day, and it was full price at one store, so I'm not sure if it was that weird 2 o'clock when everything switched over. I don't know. These little itty bitty candles, again, found them in the clearance section. There's one in lemon, and then there's a blue one for 1 cent. That's so fantastic. I'm just really, really delighted I found a bunch. And here's the weird thing. Because of the nature of this list and everything started ringing up later in the day, I didn't actually run into any other penny shoppers, which I usually always run into somebody, but I didn't see anyone when I was out there doing my thing. I saw one lady. And in the store that we were at, there was absolutely nothing. And she offered me one of those iron clips. And I said no, but she was a very nice lady. These coasters, a whole bunch of different patterns on them. They're $1 and for a penny. Even if you wanted to get creative and paint it a little bit, you probably could do that. maybe for Christmas even. That would be a fun little gift. This is by Airwick. I didn't find a ton of Airwick stuff, but this is for their little that little machine that they have for 1 cent. I mean, that's just a phenomenal price. So when you are in the clearance section, look through all of the hooks with the air care, like look behind, look around, because it actually might be at the very back. This must be a penny from a couple weeks ago, right? This Gerber baby food. It doesn't expire till October, so I'm definitely going to bring this to a food bank or something like that. I found, I think, like 6 of them at one store, which was really bizarre, but I'm still happy to find them because I have a purpose. I will definitely donate these. And this is that the iron caddy. One store I actually found, I think, like 30 on a sky shelf. I just left them all there. I'm like, what am I going to do with all this? Like, make enough, like, in a, like a ladder to walk to the moon or something like that? Absolutely not. It's just like, what am I going to do with that many? So another penny shopper will be delighted to find all of them. Sorry, guys, no UPC for this friend because it's completely out of focus and I want to get this video out, but this is like just a pad that goes in, for your mop, a refill pad. The first item that I kept finding a lot of, and I did scan it at 1 o'clock and it was full price, and then around like 2:15 it was penny. So but it is the True Living, which is the Dollar General brand, and it's the refills to go either in a Airwick or a Glade plug. A lot of people like these scent oils in their home, and this is what I found the most of. I wish I had found another couponer when I was finding so many of these earlier. I would have shared, but the Iron Lady, I asked her, I said, would you like some of these? And she's like, I already found a bunch. So I was like, cool. All the scents. So there's a Hawaiian one, this fresh linen one. Scan all of them. The packaging looks rough, but it's still good oil. It looks like nothing, nothing happened to these, but I was just delighted with this. I kind of thought that this list would happen because it happened last year on this Friday after the clearance event in August. So when they do these, like it's a whole bunch of random things in the clearance aisle. I'm just so delighted by that, especially when it's like really good stuff, not just a bunch of like candy that's about to expire, but like really cool stuff. This one, Tranquil Waters. I scanned it earlier. I know I did, and it was full price, and then it was magically a penny. We have Lush Lavender. It is so much easier to walk into a store as well when you have an idea of what you're looking for. It just makes this so much easier. So if your store is open till 10 p.m., if you want to moonwalk over there, I mean, you still have a couple hours. If not, maybe just go first thing in the morning. Of course, the counts in the app might be a little off compared to what you actually find, because this is all clearance stuff. This is the lone Airwick item that I found, and it was 1 penny, so I was pretty excited by that. Let me know in the comments down below too, guys. Are all these items ringing up for a penny for you guys? Are you like scanning off of your phone, like putting this on a TV? Let me know, because there was one item that was a penny at my friend's store, and at my store it was full price. These like cushions for chairs. This is an item that I found later in the day. It is a 24 pack of some diapers for girls. I wish I had found more of them, but I just didn't even know it was a penny. And you just become like a horse with blinders where you're like, I just want to look for the air care. But like, this is fantastic for a penny. Lots of underwear too for ladies, men's, and specifically boys. So by the Hanes company. So definitely scan all of them in the clearance section. So yeah, if you have the time to do this, I would absolutely scan everything, because you might be surprised what you're finding. And these are name brand items. It's not just like a bunch of Dollar General stuff like Hanes. So yeah, definitely scan those. I remember this specific one was part of a remodel a couple years back, that package of Hanes underwear, and there it is. And then one item a friend of mine was looking for was this organizer for your drawer set. I found like a whole bunch in the clearance section, so I knew right away what that was, and I grabbed them. I found, I think, like 4 of them or something like that. But just, if you wanted to organize your socks or other little items, like, why not? And here is the UPC. If your clearance aisle has a lot of towels and face cloths, these are the smaller face cloths. My photography is awesome how in focus this is. Here is the UPC. Only the face cloth pennied out, or washcloth. There was other larger towels and they were all like, you know, $2.45, $3.45. And then the Hanes Company, there are select t-shirts for both the men and the women's. I found only two and they were ringing up a penny. So definitely open up that app, scan all the barcodes, pay attention, and I would get out sooner than later because this list is so vast that you'll probably find a couple, hopefully, and have a lot of fun with this list. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.